Kia ora. My name is Simmer. Computers, mobiles, and peripheral technician. It graduate from Toi Ohomai Institute of Technology, working with Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles Rotorua. At Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles we are providing professional and excellent services to Rotorua for 7 years. We have an in-house high-tech lab. Visit us at 1191 Arruwera Street, Rotorua. We repair all kinds of smartphones, laptops, desktops with after-repair warranty. We used A+ grade parts. For smartphones screen repair, battery replacement, charging port issue, we often do same day. Call us for a free quote on 0734777044. We located at Arruwera Street, Rotorua next to Capper Restaurant. Follow us on Facebook or browse our website www.smartphonesrepair.co.nz. We believe we beat any quote with quality services guaranteed. We also sell smartphones, laptops, computers, and accessories.